Ever wondered what happens before an aircraft takes off? It's not just full throttle and fly. Behind every safe flight is a meticulous process that pilots and crew follow step by step. So in today's video, we're revealing the 11 safety checkpoints that every aircraft must pass before takeoff to avoid accidents and ensure your safe journey. Let's take off the safe way. This is where it all begins. Pilots review the flight plan, check weather updates, confirm alternate airports, calculate fuel, and ensure the aircraft's weight and balance are within limits. They also go through NOTAMs, that's notices to airmen, to stay updated on any critical airspace or runway issues. Before stepping into the cockpit, the pilot does a thorough walk-around. They check the fuselage, engines, landing gear, fuel caps, control surfaces, and make sure nothing's leaking, bent, or blocked. Even a bird feather in the wrong place can ground the flight. Once inside, it's time to wake up the aircraft's brain. Pilots switch on the electrical systems, test flight instruments, confirm the navigation settings, and configure radios. Everything from the autopilot to the altimeter is checked and rechecked. Okay, so, time to bring the engines to life. With clearance from ground control, the engines are started while keeping a close eye on oil pressure, temperature, and RPM. Fire detection systems are also tested to make sure they'll work if there's ever an emergency. Before rolling even an inch, flaps are set, trims are adjusted, and brakes get tested. Pilots also do a full flight control check, push, pull, twist, just to be sure all the surfaces are free and working the way they should. So, during the taxi, pilots are monitoring heading indicators, attitude displays, and cross-checking navigation data. It's also the time when they finalize their takeoff briefing. Speeds, runway info, and, what to do if something goes wrong. Right before taking the runway, the final checklist happens. Landing lights on, transponder active, flight mode settings armed, and cabin crew confirms everyone is buckled up. This is the calm before the launch. Pilots go through a mental checklist. What to do if there's a bird strike? What if an engine fails after takeoff? This is known as V1 decision-making. It's critical and could save lives. Ground and tower controllers guide the aircraft safely through pushback, taxi, and eventually to the runway for clearance. No aircraft moves without their green light. Pilots confirm wind speed, direction, visibility, and runway surface condition. Even a slick runway or sudden crosswind can change takeoff plans instantly. As the aircraft speeds up, pilots call out 80 knots, cross-check, then V1, the point of no return. Rotate, time to lift off. If something feels off before V1, they abort. After that, they're committed to fly. So the next time you fly, remember, that smooth takeoff wasn't luck. It was the result of dozens of critical checks by highly trained professionals. Safety in aviation doesn't come by chance. It comes by checklists. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on aviation, travel, and behind-the-scenes marvels of the skies. Until next time, fly safe and stay curious. Final warning. Do switch your gadgets into airplane mode, and if you see someone who's not following, inform the crew immediately.